Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 10 Pro and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's begin with opening the Play Store, and actually before, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and make sure also that you're logged in into your Google account. Without it you will not be able to follow all of my steps. So if you wish, you can do it on your own after entering the Play Store, or you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. Alright, so as I said, let's begin with opening the Play Store. Here we have to tap on this circle in the right upper corner, which is basically our account, and then go to Manage Apps and Device. So basically here you can simply tap on Updates Available, and your device will show you all of the updates which can be downloaded. You can either update all or just manually tap on specific app and update it. And whoa, no. And we've got also another section here in this overview where we were tapping on Updates Available. We have to tap on Manage and tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, we've got basically the same section, but it looks a little bit different. Here you cannot update all of them. I mean, you can, but you have to manually mark all of the apps. And basically here you can just tap on specific apps and then tap on Update icon. So as you can see, it basically works the same, just a different section. After tapping on Update, your device will download the updates, obviously, and after that it will immediately install them and update the apps. So you do not have to do anything more, just wait patiently. Of course, you can turn it off and do whatever you want. It will happen in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.